Hi, hello, my dear second class children. How are you all? Have you taken your breakfast? Did you drink milk? Milk is complete food. Every day you have to drink 2 times daily. Okay, coming to the lesson. What did I teach you day before yesterday? What we have discussed in previous class? Yes, our body. Yes, children, our body. How many sense organs are present in our body? How many sense organs do we have? We have 5 sense organs. What are they? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. These are all the 5 sense organs. Our body has many parts. Yes, many parts. Actually, our body is made up of millions of cells, but we cannot see the cells. Okay, they are very tiniest particles. Yes, some cells join together to form tissues. Some cells and tissues join together to form organs. Some organs join together to form organ systems. Okay, some organ system join together to form organism, means our body. There are 7 organ systems in our body. All organ systems together and to form one organism. Okay, this is our human body. Human body is made up of millions of cells. Okay, children. But our body has many parts. Yes, some are internal, some are external. Can you see my heart? Can you see my heart? Can you see my lungs? Can you see my kidneys? No. Why? Because they are inside our body. Inside our body. Okay. Okay. Can you see my eyes? Yes. Can you see my ears? Yes. Can you see my hands? Yes. Why? Because they are outside of the body. Okay, children, outside of these are located outside of the body. Is it clear? So, organs, number of organs there outside of the body and inside of the body. Okay, our body is made up of bones and muscles. No, children, once recall what did I teach you day before yesterday? How many bones are there in our body? There are 206 bones in our body. Okay, how are the bones? Bones are very hard, rigid structures, rigid structures. Okay, these hard parts are called bones. Okay, bones are different sizes and shape. Okay, bones are hard outside but inside some jelly like material is present, that is called bone marrow. Next classes you have to learn about those. Okay, so hard structures are called, rigid structures are called bones. How many bones are there in our body? There are 206 bones in our body. Okay, all 206 bones together and to form one framework like structure, that is the skeleton. Okay, children. So all the bones in our body together form a framework that is called the skeleton. Okay, skeleton. This is the skeleton. Yes, children, skeleton. Okay, so all these are all the bones only. 206 bones are yes, together and to form one framework that is called the skeleton. Okay, skeleton gives shape to our body and support to our body. Without bones we cannot stand straight. We can't stand straight. Okay, so our body will collapse. Is it clear? Our body would be shapeless without the skeleton. Our body would be shapeless without the skeleton. We can't stand straight. Okay, so bones give shape and support to our body. Okay, and also protects the internal organs of the body. What are the internal organs? Here brain is present. Here 2 lungs are present. In between 2 lungs heart is present. Okay, this is the rib cage. Inside the rib cage heart, soft delicate organ is present. Either side of the heart lungs are present. So skeleton gives shape and support and also protects the internal organs of the body. Is it clear? Okay, who gives support to your body? Skeleton only. Which protects the heart and lungs? Bone, skeleton only. Skeleton protects the heart and lungs. Is it clear? So bones are yes, bones are hard structures. Muscles are smooth. Okay, smooth fleshy parts are called muscles. Muscles are attached to the bone. Okay, yesterday I brought this. Yes, see here, this is the yes muscle. Okay, this fleshy part is called muscle. Okay, this fleshy part is called muscle. Okay, like this, muscle is attached to the bone. Okay, na? Muscle is this light red color part is called muscle. Okay, fleshy parts are called muscle. Muscle attached to the bone. That's why we can bend our body, we can lift heavy bags. All these possible because of the muscles. So muscles we can bend, lift and move with the help of muscles. And also we can also do actions like smile, run, stand and dance because of our muscles. Bones and muscles work together with coordination. Then only we can bend, we can move, we can stretch. All these possible because of the bones and muscles. Smooth parts are called muscles. No, there are 600 muscles in our body. We can smile, we can laugh, okay, we can speak, we can eat. All these possible because of the muscles. So muscle is attached to the, this fleshy part is attached to the hard part, means bones. Muscles are attached to the bone, then only we can lift heavy objects, heavy bags. We can bend, yes, we can bend. All these possible with the help of muscles. Is it clear? How many muscles are there in our body? 600 muscles in our body. Okay, we can bend our body. Okay, we can bend our body easy with the help of muscles. What is a joint? Yesterday I said no. What is a joint? The place where two bones meet at one place is called a joint. Number of joints also there in our body. Shoulder one joint. Okay, neck one joint is present. Shoulder joint is present. Elbow one joint is present. Fingers, in between finger joints are present. Wrist joint is present. So the connection point. Okay, joined with the connection point two or more bones. The connection point, see here elbow, one joint is present. Upper arm bone, lower arm bone meet at one place, that is called a joint. Is it clear? The connection point where two or more bones meet is called the joint. Is it clear? So the connection point or the place where two bones meet at one place is called a joint. See, wrist joint is there, wrist, okay, joint is there, okay, and shoulder joint is there, okay, and neck joint is there, elbow, okay, elbow, see here elbow joint is there, okay. So the connection point where, okay, the connection point, yes, between two or more bones. The connection points between two or more bones is called the joint. There are number of joints in our body. Okay, na? So joints, some are movable, some are immovable. Okay, so skull bones are fixed. Okay, immobile joint present in the skull only. Okay, skull protects the brain. Is it clear? Okay, okay, organs. Okay, today we will discuss about the internal organs and external organs. Number of organs are present in our body. Organs are, some are external, some are internal. External means we can see. Okay, I can see your eyes and your ears. You can see my eyes, ears, okay, and hands and legs. These are external organs. Okay, what are the internal organs? Organs that are present inside our body. Can you see my heart? Can you see my stomach? Can you see my lungs? No. Why? Because they are present inside our body. They are located inside our body. So organs are, some are external. External means we can see, which we can see. Eyes, ears, nose we can see. Internal means we cannot see with our eyes. Okay, they are inside our body. They are located inside our body. Is it clear? So organs, some are external organs, some are internal organ. External organs. Okay, and internal organs. Okay, what are the internal organs? Brain, lungs, okay, heart, okay, kidneys and stomach. These are all the internal organs. Okay, today we will discuss about the internal organs. Internal organs. What are the internal organs inside our body? Which are located inside our body? What are internal organs? Heart, okay, brain, heart, lungs, okay, and stomach and kidneys. These are inside our body. These are located inside our body. Okay, what is the main function of brain? What is the main function of brain? It helps us to think. It is control center of the body. It is very important part of the body, children. Brain is very important part of the body. It works like a super computer. It works like a wonderful computer. We store lot of information in the brain. Okay, so what is the main function of the brain? It helps us to think, remember, learning, intelligence. It is responsible for learning, memory, intelligence, logic and so on. Is it clear? Brain is very important part of our body. It controls all other functions of the body. Is it clear? Okay na? And it works like a super computer. And next see lungs. Okay, here we have heart is present amma. Either side of the heart two lungs are present. Okay na? We have two lungs. Okay, what is the main function of lungs? Helps us to breathe. Okay na? We take oxygen or we take air from the air. We take oxygen from the air. That air slowly enters the nose and finally reaches the lungs through windpipe. Is it clear? What is the main function of lungs? To breathe. We take what we need for breathing, amma? Oxygen. What we need for breathing? Oxygen. Continuously we need to take oxygen from the atmosphere, from the air. We take oxygen from the air, okay, through the nose, okay na? That oxygen slowly reaches the lungs through windpipe. Is it clear? This is the windpipe, okay? So finally reaches the lungs. What is the main function of lungs? To breathe. Continuously we breathe oxygen. Without taking oxygen we cannot live. Is it clear? The brain also need continuous supply of oxygen and food. Okay, so it needs continuous supply of oxygen and food. Okay, and what is main function of lungs? To take oxygen, to breathe oxygen. Okay, what is the main function of heart? Here it is located here. Okay, na heart, very important delicate organ present okay, in the chest cavity. Okay, heart function, it pumps the blood to all parts of the body. Okay, the main function of the heart to pumps the blood to all parts of the body. Is it clear? Heart always pump oxygenated blood, pure blood to all parts of the body. What is the main function of stomach? Helps to digest the food. Every day we take so much of food, no? Okay, and from morning till night we eat many items, no? Many kinds of food items, no? Okay, and they stay inside the stomach 4 hours. Okay, with the help of digestive juices, all food items are digested well in the stomach. Okay, finally reaches the small intestine. Next classes you have to learn briefly about these, amma. But what is the main function of stomach, amma? Stomach helps to digest the food. With the help of digestive juices. Okay, these are internal organs. What are internal organs? Brain, okay, heart, lungs, stomach, and we have 2 kidneys at the back of your body. Okay, these are internal organs. These are inside our body. These are present inside our body. These are located inside our body. Okay, children, what is the main function of brain? Main function of brain, it helps us to think and remember. Okay, it is responsible for memory, learning, intelligence and logic and so on. It needs continuous supply of oxygen and food. It weighs is 1.4 kilograms. It controls all other functions of the body. And lungs, we have 2 lungs either side of the heart. It helps to breathe. Continuously we take oxygen. Okay na? And what is the main function of heart? It pumps the blood to all parts of the body. And what is the function of stomach? What is the function of stomach? It helps to digest the food. Okay, children? Tomorrow we will discuss about the posture. Okay na? Keeping the body fit. Okay, what is posture? How to keep your body fit and healthy. Okay, take care. Today you have to read the textbook.